Namaskaram to all the beautiful ladies in the house. Welcome to Brand Mandir. Today I'm at Jubilee Hills, road number 56, and I have brought you the beautiful collection of mixed handloom sarees. As you guys know, Desi View Expo flat 25% off is started from this month, 18th April. So don't miss out. Jubilee Hills, Brand Mandir, please come and shop and take your lovely sarees to your home. Let's start with my saree. Wow, what a lovely purple color saree. Let's have the closer look of the saree. The overall body of the saree, we have beautiful silver checks patterns and thread weaving, flower booties. This beautiful saree has a lovely self-designed border with thread weaving. Beautiful Mangalgiri saree has a lovely running pallu and running blouse. To shop this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the item code. Code of the saree ML573 and the price of the saree 5670. And send it to our WhatsApp number that is 7337337300. Let's move on to another lovely saree. Wow. Beautiful handloom Mangalgiri saree. What a lovely color. Let's have a closer look. The overall body of the saree, we have silver zari checks pattern and very beautiful border. We have lovely swan and flower motifs highlighted with the border with printed design. Very lovely, right? Let's have the closer look of pallu. Very lovely running pallu along with the beautiful running blouse. Now see the price and details. Code of the saree LW794 and the price of the saree 5670. Let's move on to another lovely Mangalgiri handloom saree. Wow, what a pretty color. The beautiful maroon red color saree. This body has a beautiful silver zari checks pattern along with the thread weaving leaf booties all over the body of the saree. The lovely saree has a very pretty border, self-designed border, highlighted with parrots and running pallu. With beautiful running blouse. To shop this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the item code. Code of the saree ML572 and the price of the saree 5670. And send it to our WhatsApp number that is 7337337300. Let's move on to another lovely saree. Wow. Lovely lavender color. Let's have the closer look of the saree. The overall body of the saree we have in a silver zari checks pattern. This beautiful saree has a very lovely Mangalgiri border highlighted with beautiful deers with printed and thread weaving, highlighted with mirror work. Very elegant, right? Let's see the border along with the pallu. Very lovely pallu, running pallu. Wow. Along with very pretty blouse. Well, let's see the price and details of this lovely saree. Code of the saree ML571 and the price of the saree 5670. Before moving on to another lovely saree, I would love to share that we have cash on delivery only available in Hyderabad and global shipment. No matter which part of the world you live, we deliver the beautiful sarees to your doorsteps in no time. Let's move on to another lovely saree. Wow, what an elegant, pretty color, easy to handle. Very beautiful. The overall body of the saree is in pistachio color and highlighted with beautiful small flower booties in thread weaving. This lovely contrast border highlighted with swans in a thread weaving pattern. Very beautiful Mangalgiri sari with a running pallu, contrast pallu. Very beautiful contrast blouse, pink color blouse. To shop this lovely sari, take a screenshot along with the item code. Code of the sari ML576 and the price of the sari 5670. And send it to our WhatsApp number that is 733 Let's move on to the lovely handloom sari. Wow. Very pretty, very lovely red color. Very beautiful and elegant. The overall body of the sari, we have silver zari checks pattern. This beautiful sari is highlighted with self-designed border. This border is very pretty, highlighted by so many beautiful characters. Beautiful Madhubani painting. Lovely Madhubani painting thread work. Very pretty and elegant. This beautiful sari has a very elegant running pallu along with the beautiful running blouse. Let's see the present details. Code of the sari LW774 and the price of the sari 5670. Let's move on to another lovely sari. Wow, very pretty and elegant, very lightweight. Now let's have the closer look. This beautiful sari has a very lovely alternative golden and silver zari. Peacock motifs all over the body of the sari. This lovely Venkatgiri sari has a very pretty kaddi border along with a beautiful contrast orange color pallu with golden zari in a floral jewel pattern. Very lovely. Along with very pretty blouse in a contrast color. To shop this beautiful sari, take a screenshot along with the item code. Code of the sari ML588 and the price of the sari 9945. And send it to our WhatsApp number that is 733 Let's move on to another beautiful sari. Wow, what a lovely ethnic color. Very pretty yellow color. Let's have the closer look of the sari. The overall body of the sari, we have golden zari, leaf motifs. Very pretty and very elegant. This beautiful Venkatgiri sari has a very lovely kaddi border along with a contrast pallu with silver zari. Now let's check the blouse. Beautiful contrast blouse to yellow color sari. Very pretty combination. Now let's check the present details. Code of the sari ML589 and the price of the sari 12,070. Let's move on to another lovely sari. Wow, what a pretty color. Beautiful, elegant color, very lightweight. Venkatgiri sari. The overall body of the sari, we have very pretty peacock motifs in a golden zari. This lovely purple color sari has a very beautiful contrast border, gap border. The gap border is highlighted with temple as well as beautiful alternate peacock and mango pixels. Very lovely. This lovely sari has a very beautiful running contrast pallu along with the contrast blouse. Wow, what a combination. Let's check the present details. Code of the sari LL82 and the price of the sari 11,390. Let's move on to another lovely sari. Beautiful and elegant color, ocean green color. The overall body of the sari we have checks pattern highlighted with beautiful flower booties. Very pretty. Now let's check the beautiful border of the front Venkatagiri sari. What a lovely border, contrast border, along with the contrast yellow pallu. Very elegant contrast blouse. Very pretty combination. To shop this beautiful sari, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 733 Wow, pretty color. Very lovely color. Pastel brown color. The overall body we have silver zari lines along with the silver zari leaf booties. This beautiful sari has a contrast border in a green color. Lovely kuppadam sari, very pretty. Along with the contrast pallu with silver zari. With beautiful tassels. This lovely sari has a very beautiful blouse, contrast blouse. To shop this beautiful sari, take a screenshot along with the item code. Code of the sari ML565 and the price of the sari 9,732. Before moving on to another lovely sari, I would love to share that we have video call facility also. Take a screenshot of your beautiful sari and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 733 and our team will assist you. Now let's move on to another lovely sari. Very pretty and elegant. Let's have the closer look of the sari. The overall body of the sari we have in a silver zari checks pattern. This beautiful sari is highlighted with golden peacock motifs all over body of the sari in a very alternative beautiful pattern. This lovely kuppadam sari has a very pretty contrast border, cream color, along with the contrast pallu. Very pretty, beautiful tassels. Very lovely contrast blouse. Very pretty. To shop this beautiful sari, let's see the price and details. Code of the sari ML566 and the price of the sari 10,030. Let's move on to another lovely sari. Wow, beautiful red color, dual shade we have in this. The overall body of the sari we have lovely design in a zari. Very beautiful, the diamond shape pattern. This beautiful sari has a very lovely contrast border. Beautiful kuppadam sari has a lovely contrast pallu along with the contrast blouse. Very elegant. Now let's see the price and details. Code of the sari ML567 and the price of the sari 10,710. Let's move on to another lovely sari. Wow, very elegant ethnic color we have. Very beautiful color combination. This beautiful ice blue sari has a very lovely checks pattern in silver zari, in alternative golden zari, peacock motifs all over the body, And now let's check the border. Beautiful contrast with color border to lovely ice blue color sari with contrast pallu, the golden zari lines along with the contrast blouse. Very lovely blouse in a dual shade color. To shop this beautiful sari, take a screenshot along with the item code. Code of the sari LX139 and the price of the sari 10,030 and send it to our WhatsApp number that is 733 Let's move on to another lovely sari. Beautiful Kuppadam sari. Very lovely color, dual shade purple color. The overall body of the sari is highlighted with beautiful zari, silver zari in a diamond shape pattern. Beautiful sari has a contrast border along with lovely contrast pallu in red color. Very elegant. Beautiful ethnic blouse, red color blouse in dual shade. Let's check the price and details. Code of the sari ML564 and the price of the sari 10,710. Let's move on to another lovely sari. Wow. Beautiful Mangalgiri sari. Very pretty, very elegant. Very lovely color. The overall body of the sari we have checks pattern. Brown color. Beautiful brown color. This beautiful sari has a very lovely border. Highlighted with temple. Very pretty, right? Along with the contrast pallu. Along with the contrast blouse. Very elegant, very pretty. Now let's check the price and details of this beautiful Mangalagiri sari. Code of the sari ML568 and the price of the sari 5,265. Let's move on to another lovely sari. Wow. Pretty blue color. The overall body of the sari, we have a checks pattern. Lovely Mangalgiri sari we have in a silver zari. This beautiful sari has a self-designed border highlighted with temple. Very lovely and very easy to carry. Along with the running pallu with lovely blouse. Take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number that is 733 along with the item code. Code of the sari ML570 and the price of the sari 5,850. Let's move on to another lovely sari. Wow. Very pretty maroon red color. Beautiful Mangalgiri sari. Overall body of the sari, we have beautiful checks pattern in silver zari. This lovely Mangalgiri sari has a very pretty Pochampalli border highlighted with temples. Very lightweight, very elegant with running pallu along with a beautiful blouse. To shop this lovely sari, take a screenshot along with the item code ML569 and the price of the sari 5,265. Let's move on to another lovely handloom sari. Whoa, gorgeous green we have in the house, guys. Lovely, beautiful green color. The overall body is highlighted with beautiful checks pattern in silver zari with lovely Pochampalli border. Very elegant, highlighted with temples. Very pretty. along with the running pallu with very pretty blouse. Let's see the present details. Code of the sari MI286 and the price of the sari 5265. Let's move on to another lovely sari. Wow, very pretty color. Peacock green color. Very lovely sari. Beautiful khadi sari. The overall body of the sari is plain peacock blue color. This lovely Ponturu khadi sari has a very beautiful self border highlighted with temples. Beautiful running pallu. Very lovely jamdani pallu. We have beautiful butterflies, floral print all over the sari of the pallu. Very pretty. This beautiful sari has a very lovely blouse, running blouse. Wow, very pretty. Let's check the present details. Code of the sari MF113 and the price of the sari 15,725. Very pretty and elegant neon green color. Alternative golden silver zari. Booties all over the body. And lovely self border highlighted with temple. Very elegant jamdani weaving. Pallu. Very pretty. Along with the running blouse. To shop this lovely sari, take a screenshot along with the item code. Code of the sari MF112 and the price of the sari 24,990. And send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 733-733-7000. We'll move on to the lovely sari. Very elegant color, yellow color. Let's have the closer look of the body. The overall body of the sari, we have silver zari plus motifs. Very elegant. With beautiful contrast border highlighted with temple. This beautiful sari has a very pretty pallu, jamdani pallu. We have lovely birds, flowers with beautiful self blouse. Very pretty and elegant. Wow. To shop this beautiful sari, take a screenshot of an item code, that is LX119 and the price of the sari 24,990, and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 733-733-7000. Last but not least, let's move on to the last sari from today's collection, mixed handloom collection. Very lovely sari, beautiful pink color sari. The overall body of the sari we have plain, very elegantly. This beautiful sari has a very lovely contrast border highlighted by temples. It's very pretty jamdani weaving pallu with peacock motifs along with the beautiful tassels. It's lovely blouse. To shop this beautiful sari, take a screenshot along with the item code MF109 and the price of the sari 15,725, and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 733-733-7000. That's it for today, my beautiful ladies. I'll come back with another lovely collection. Till then, namaskaram.
మేము షికాగో నుంచి వచ్చామండి. ఇదిగోండి మా నీస్. దీని శారీస్ అమ్మనికి వచ్చాము. చాలా బాగున్నాయి కలెక్షన్. అండ్ దెన్ చాలా పేషెంట్గా చూపెట్టారు. మాకంటే ఎక్కువ పేషెంట్స్ చూపించే వాళ్ళకి ఉంది ఇక్కడ. సో చాలా పేషెంట్‌గా చూపెట్టారు. చాలా బాగున్నాయి. మేము ఆల్రెడీ 2 శారీస్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నాము. కంచి పట్టు శారీస్, ఆల్ ఓవర్ శారీస్ పేస్టల్స్‌లో తీసుకున్నాము. చాలా బాగున్నాయి. థాంక్ యూ ఫర్ ద ఎక్స్‌పీరియన్స్.